Let me tell. It's always that one roller. What's up, y'all? So today I will be showing you guys how I do a flexi rod set on my silk pressed hair. I'll be using 6 of these, of the blue ones. They're not too small. And 6 of these, of the gray ones. So I want to keep this part. I'm about to section this part off because I'm going to do this part last. And I'm going to section this, my bang part, because I'm going to do that last as well. Yeah. So now I'm just about to part the back of my hair with my hand, my finger. I'm not doing nothing spectacular. I'm not trying to make sure that my parts are even because it doesn't matter. I'm gonna get close so y'all can see what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that my ends are in there. So wrap it around. Come on now. So I wrap it around and then I roll it. I do this little twisty thing. Low-key don't know what I'm doing. And then I just put it together like that. You know, because I want to look like Medusa or whatever. Now this part, I'm gonna use the blue ones now because that's all I got left. So this should be enough. See, I don't be knowing what I'm doing. I'm trying to show y'all. You know, this is probably gonna help somebody, hopefully. So now I'm done with these parts. I'm gonna do this small part right here. Now I'm on my last part in the front. Brush this out again. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you, what would she do? Part this any type of way, because it's not gonna matter what my parts look like. struggling. I'm low-key struggling on camera. All right, y'all, so that's it. This is how I was looking. So I'm about to put my bonnet on top. My little raggedy black bonnet. I need a new one. Put this over my head. It's gonna be a bad sleep tonight, but that's all right. First of all, beauty is pain, like they said. Ooh, I'm about to loosen that one. I'm a little tight. Wow, I can't do this. All right, y'all, so that's it for tonight. I done tied up my Flexi rides. This should be coming out cute tomorrow, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna take it down tomorrow, and I'm gonna show y'all the results. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, so today is tomorrow. So I'm about to take these, take these Flexi rides out. Let me take. It's always that one roller. Always that one roller. I'm embarrassed. Oh, this color is pretty. So I'm about to take the rest of these out. I can't. First of all, look at this. I can't believe this. It's always that one roller. Okay, so this is how my hair look with no product and just the Flexi ride. And I had not separated them yet, but I'm about to. I'm still feeling some type of way about this piece, but we ain't gonna worry about that. No negative energy all 2021. This is how it's looking on this side. Separated. So I'm about to separate this side, despite this piece. Always that one roller. Always. Well, at least for me. Oh, I'm separating the wrong one. This side is cute. But look at this side. What is this? What is this? Whatever. So I'm about to finger comb this out. I'm gonna do this first to this side too, even though it looks ridiculous. I'm about to just brush it. So this is how it's looking. That's not too bad, but it's not what I was looking for. Why have you failed me? Why have you failed me? So this is how my hair is looking, you guys. It's almost a fail, but I love this side. This side is pretty, but this side, what is this? So this is how it's looking. It was almost a fail, kind of a fail. Maybe it is a fail. I don't know, but this is what I'm gonna work with. So tell me what y'all think. I don't care too much for it because it's like one side look good and then the other side don't. Just let me know what y'all think. And until next time, bye. What's up, y'all? So I'm about to show y'all how I roller wrap. Not roller wrap. I'm about to show y'all. So I got little inches on me. Don't hate because I got little inches on me. See how long it is? Can y'all see?